Delivers high-intensity color for dark hair. Formulated to minimize brassiness. Mango infusion boosts shine and leaves hair in better condition than before you colored. Ammonia-free. Permanent. 14 shimmering shades. Long-lasting, vibrant color and shine. Revlon Colorsilk Luminista Haircolor is Revlon's first permanent at-home hair color kit specifically designed to provide ultimate coverage for naturally dark hair. The product's unique high-intense system delivers vibrant shimmering color to darker hair while fighting brassiness. This gentle formula contains shine-enhancing mango butter and leaves hair in better condition than before you colored. High-intense system. Delivers high-intensity color as it saturates dark hair. Formulated to minimize brassiness. Mango infusion. An infusion of mango boosts shine and leaves hair in better condition than before coloring. Vibrant color. From opulent black to ravishing red, all shades provide intense color and shine while adding depth and dimension. Top reviews from the United States. Quick and easy. Quick and easy to use. Color is just as suggested, which is more accurate than others. Excellent coverage. Recommend.